An option for people that have dentures that slip and slide or don't have adequate bone to hold a denture in properly is an implant-supported denture or an implant-supported prosthesis. So a fixed prosthetic is either made with all porcelain or it's made with a titanium bar and denture teeth. Depending on the situation, you have to make the right choices for the right people. And those are screwed in place and kept in place. They can be removed if necessary for cleaning or repair, but generally speaking, they're permanent. Patients brush them like they're actual teeth. They don't have to worry about them slipping out or, at dinner parties or wherever they might be. There's no running to the restroom to rinse them out. They could smile and laugh like hyenas if they want to. I think one of the nice things about an implant-born prosthetic particularly is that the palate's exposed. When you have a denture, the palate's covered up, so you can't even feel the food or taste it. And you think of the word palatable. Was it palatable? Well, how would you know that if you don't have a palate that's, uncovered? So that makes a big difference. Just the function, the way the teeth work, because a denture is loose and it gives when you chew from side to side, whereas when you have an implant secured prosthesis, the teeth don't move around, so the function works the way it's supposed to work, and you can chew and eat and speak and not spit on people and everything else. So it's really, really life-changing. It's just amazing what change people go through when they experience that. It's just unbelievable. It's very, very rewarding for us too.